good, YouTube? You're tuning to A1 Car Reviews, and we back with another video. So as you see, we got the Challenger. Hey, no, car down, car. These niggas cutting up in my car. Yes, sirski. Had to get him. I had to get my car on there, y'all. Okay. They probably thought I was recording them, but like I said, we got a 2022 Charger RT in the background. I wish I was recording that because my car took off like a rocket. Yeah, so you see that thing? You see that thing? Hey! You. Hey, put it in neutral and hit it, car. Hit it, car. Let me hear it. Hit it! There we go. Hit it again. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It's doing a little something. My car factory. I'm gonna definitely get my exhaust work done. But yo, as y'all see by the title, we finna do an exhaust comparison. This is not a last call. It's a 2022. Still sound pretty good, and it looked like a Scat Pack, but this is a Charger RT, y'all. Let's check it out. Yes, sir. Y'all done seen this car on the channel plenty of times before. Just a quick walk around. I guess they wasn't putting the 345 badges on the side of the 2022s. He do got a sunroof though. You always gonna catch him with the sunroof open. If it's raining, if it's cold, even if it's raining, y'all, he gonna have that sunroof open. You can't even see inside the car because the windows is just blacked out. We went riding yesterday. He talking about, we left him. Like he over a mile behind. It's dark. I didn't even see his headlights. So I called him. I'm like, you all right, car? He said, yeah, he just can't see. So he slowed down. We doing like 55, 60 miles per hour in the rain. And he must have slowed down slower than that. So yeah, let me get them out my car before they tear it up. And we gonna get an exhaust comparison. Not my car though, because my car is just, y'all, my car is stock. This is a 2016. That's a 23 and 2022. And in 2016, they didn't want the Charger RT sounding like a Scat Pack or a Hellcat because they wanted you to buy the RT and they wanted you to upgrade to a Scat Pack or a Hellcat. But with the 2022s, there's no more Scat Packs, no more Hellcats after this generation. So now they're gonna be like, we might as well give the RT all the goodies we give the upper higher end models. So yeah, let's get into the video. All right. Got a little gargle to it. Hey, hold on. I don't know if y'all just heard that, but I think he put it in sports mode because I heard the exhaust open up. I think I literally just heard the exhaust open up. Do your thing, car. Alright, you can crank yours up, car. We gonna see who really loud to do what y'all do. So I don't know, this one definitely is louder, but the notes sound pretty much the same. You can definitely hear the flutter in both cars. Like I say, this is a 2022, that's a 2023. They pretty much just last call. This is it. Like next year, they supposed to be making the new Chargers. I haven't heard anything about the new Challenger, but it's coming with a fully electric model. And I heard they will have an ICE engine, the ICE, but it will be a V6, the Hurricane motor. Don't nobody really want that Hurricane motor. So we have the bicycle chain right here. Thank you guys for watching. Hit that like button, comment on the video, and we probably finna go turn up in the streets because we out. Peace. Shit, I'm good whenever you're ready. Yeah, so we got them things out tonight. I'm still chopping. I actually like the look of that old tire.